Hello students, I am Asavari Shinde from the Dhananjay Gadgil College of Commerce, Satara. Today we are going to learn the novel extract 4.2 To Sir with Love. It is a very famous novel written by E.R. Braithwaite. It is called as the all-time classic schoolroom drama as relevant as today's headlines. The New York Times described it as moving and inspiring novel. The famous movie To Sir with Love is based on this novel. Now students, let's know about the novel. It is an autobiographical novel written by E.R. Braithwaite. It is a modern classic written after the World War II period. It is based on social conditions and racial discriminations. After Second World War, there was racism due to colonialism in England. So E.R. Braithwaite has written so many novels based on social conditions and racial discrimination. It is an experience of a school teacher. The writer has given his own experiences as Black school teacher. The novel is written in first-person narration with descriptive passages. Now students, let's know about the writer. Eustace Edward Ricardo Braithwaite is the name of the writer, but he is popularly known as E.R. Braithwaite. He was born on 1912 and died on 2016. He had the life of 104 years. He was Guyanese-born British-American writer, novelist, and diplomat. He was a teacher and social worker. He was best known for his writings on social conditions and racial discriminations. He was serving in British Army, but when he was rejected for the job as an engineer, he unwillingly took up job as a teacher. See students, actually, he was an engineer. He was very talented person. He was well qualified, but he couldn't get the job because he was a Black person. That's why unwillingly he took up the job as a teacher in Greenslade School in London. His own experiences are given here in this novel. Now students, let's see the literary works of Braithwaite. Braithwaite has written many novels. He was having a versatile personality. Mostly his writing was based on the racism. Only 4 novels I'm telling you. A Kind of Homecoming. It is a personal memoir of westernized Black man who journeys to Africa in search of his roots. The next one is A Choice of Straws. It is also based on racism. The novel set in London. At that time, the London was the place full of racial hatred. The next one is Reluctant Neighbor. See students, in this novel, a story of lifelong struggle against ignorance and racism is given here. The narrator had shared his memories while sharing the train ride with bigoted white neighbor. To Sir with Love is the novel based on social and racial problems. It is a story of Black teacher who suffered a lot due to racism. Means students, when we see these 4 literary works of Braithwaite, we come to know that his main focus was on social conditions and racial discriminations. Now, students, let's see the setting of the novel. Before going to see the setting of the novel, we will see what is setting of any story or a novel. Setting is time and place or the background of the novel or when and where the novel takes place. Now, students, we will see that the setting of this novel, To Serve with Love, is post-war period in England. It is 1947. After World War II, there was colonism, and due to colonism, there was a racial discrimination, racial prejudice in England. Here in this novel, the story takes place in East End of London. At that time, in 1940s, London was known for crime, poverty. It was full of racial discrimination. It was unsuitable for growing children, and all this background is given in this novel. Now, students, let's see the setting of the extract. Post-war period in England, 1947. We have discussed it just now. The setting of the extract is auditorium in the Greenslade School. See, students, all the happenings, all the events of half-yearly report program of student council are there in auditorium only, and that's why the setting of the extract is auditorium. It has the democratic setting because all the students took part in that program very confidently. That's why it has a democratic setting. Now, students, it is very necessary to see the themes of the novel. Theme of the novel means the subject matter or central idea of the novel. We can say that there are three major themes of the novel: To Serve with Love, racism, prejudice, and student-teacher relationship. Let's see the first one, racism. In London at that time, racism was prevalent. The writer experienced racism of white people there. He suffered a lot due to the racism. There are so many references in the novel of racism. He suffered due to racism in Greenslade School, London, at the job interviews, at restaurant with his girlfriend, traveling by bus or train. So many times he had faced the racism, and that's why the theme racism is very significant theme. The second one is prejudice. See, students, prejudice here is racial prejudice only. We have seen that in London at that time, there was racial hatred. Actually, the writer was born in British Guiana. He had brought up in British Guiana. He considered himself as a British citizen, but see, students, Britishers did not consider him to be one of them. When he served as a British pilot in British Army, at that time, there was a respect to him. But when he left the job, he had no respect. So he had bitter feelings in his mind, and he had prejudice in his mind about his white students also when he started working in Greenslade School, London. The third significant theme of the novel is student-teacher relationship. See, students, in the beginning of the novel, the student-teacher relationship was not good. The students came from very lower class. They were not aware of learning. They came from the backgrounds which are not suitable for them to study. They were ill-mannered, disrespectful, mischievous. They harassed the writer a lot, but using new creative ideas and innovative techniques, the narrator changed the behavior of the students. And in the end of the novel, we can see that there was good relationship between students and teachers. So students, racism, prejudice, and student-teacher relationship, these three are the major themes of the novel. Now we will see the themes of the extract. Student-teacher relationship and proceedings of half-yearly report of student council. These two are the themes of the extract. Students, we have seen that in the novel, in the beginning of the novel, the relationship of students and teacher was not good. But from the beginning of the extract, we can see that the writer was very happy to see the changed behavior of his students. All the students performed well. They spoke politely with each other. They were very confident. That's why the writer was happy, the narrator was happy to see his students behaved respectfully with each other. So we can say that student-teacher relationship was very good. All the students developed themselves. The next theme of the extract is proceedings of half-yearly report of student council. In this 17th chapter of the novel, we can see that there was the description of half-yearly report of student council. It was very significant event in Greenslade School, London. Students arranged half-yearly report program effectively. All the students came on the stage and they presented their academic reports very confidently. Now, students, it's time to see the major characters in the novel. Ricky Braithwaite. See, students, he is a protagonist of the novel. He's a narrator as well as a black teacher. He's the main character in the novel. Mrs. Dale Evans is the teacher in the school and she participated in question and answer session. Denham and Miss Joseph, these were two senior students. They preside over the meeting. Denham was a trained boxer. Miss Joseph and Denham were the anchors of the program. The next one, Pamela Dare, she was the student of the narrator. And Miss Florian is also a very important character. He was the head of the school. He addresses the program in the beginning. So these are the major characters in the novel. Now, students, let's see the minor characters in the novel. Potter, Sapiano, Miss Barbara Pegg, Steve Jackson, Patrick Furman, Miss Dodd were the students who represented their classes and who presented the academic report of their classes. Mr. Weston and Miss Phillips, they both were the teachers who participated in question and answer session. Now students, let's see the summary of the extract. There are 22 chapters in the novel. Chapter 17th in the novel is included here in our textbook as an extract. Half-yearly report program of Student Council was one of the important dates in Greenslade School. It was held on November 15th. Students were excited as the day approached. It was entirely the day of the students. The program was arranged, prepared, and controlled by the students. All the students arrived smartly dressed. Each of the class representatives presented the reports on various topics. After reports, there was question and answer session. There was a question and answer session. It was a surprising event. The panel of teachers was invited on the stage. Mr. Weston, Miss Dale Evans, and Miss Phillips were three teachers on the stage. Students asked so many questions to them. Teachers were stammering, but at last Miss Phillips proved herself to be the coolest and the best teacher. Then there was appreciation session. Mr. Florian, the headmaster of the school, was very happy to see the development of the students. He went on the stage. He appreciated the students. He praised the students for their grand success. All the teachers were very proud to see the development of their students. Now the last thing is teachers' role in bringing significant change in the students. The teacher, who was a narrator, initially faced difficulty in dealing with the students. They were disrespectful, ill-mannered, and mischievous. They harassed him mentally and physically from the first day because he was a black teacher. There were noisy interruptions and rude remarks. Braithwaite tried new approach, new techniques. His new formula worked. They came to know the worth of the teacher. When teacher behaved with them respectfully like adults, they changed their attitude, their behavior. They presented their reports in a professional manner, very confidently and clearly. They were calm and efficient. They were polite with each other. All these things show that teacher played a very significant role in bringing significant change in the students. Now students, let's see what happens there actually in half-yearly report of the Student Council. Miss Joseph and Denham were the anchors. Miss Joseph addresses the audience. They both were the senior students of Braithwaite and preside over the function. Denham presented PT and games. He was a trained boxer. Potter was first to represent the arithmetic. He explained weights and measures, kilograms and pound, meter and foot. Then came Sapiano. Sapiano presented nature study of paste. especially the black rot on wheat, boll weevil on cotton, and Colorado beetle on potatoes. Then Miss Peg and Jackson presented geography. First, Jackson spoke on the contribution of mineral deposits and vegetable production. And Miss Peg spoke on a very important issue, that is, human relationship stressing the post-World War problems. See students, it was a period of post-World War II, and that's why the issue is very important, significant. Miss Dare and Furman presented physiology. They came with the skeleton on the stage. It was a comic atmosphere when they came with the skeleton on the stage. Miss Dare and Furman concluded that all human beings are same. It is a very great message given by both of them, and the teacher was happy to see the changed behavior in the students. Miss Dodd reported the period of history and the reformation of history. All the students presented their academic reports very well, very confidently, in a professional manner, and all the teachers were very happy to see the changed behavior of the students. Naturally, our narrator, Braithwaite, was also very happy and proud for his students. Thank you.